In this tutorial, we will learn how to log into Plesk. After successfully placing a payment order, you will receive a welcome email from us containing the login details. In your browser, you have to type https:// your domain name or the server IP address, port number 8443. In this tutorial the domain name is example.com. In your case, example.com will be replaced by your server host name. In a welcome email from the hosting company, you have a permanent link such as https:// yourhostname.com, port number 8443 or 8880. Sometimes, port numbers can differ, and you will need to use the port given in the welcome email instead of port 8443. Just open that link in your internet browser and enter your username and password, and click on Login. If your login details are correct, you will have successfully logged into your Plesk account. Now you know how to log into Plesk. Thank you for watching.